Hey guys, just wanted to remind y'all if y'all missed the last video and the new sponsor of the channel. If you go to Capri Tools and want to get a 10% discount, just use my code Chris2022. That's Chris2022. You'll get 10% off of your order. Definitely go check them out. Really cool tools. Still haven't got to use this yet, but it's super neat. Little setup here. But yeah, been using these plenty, using these as well, and definitely the light a lot. Getting into the sockets and all that too. So yeah, that's the got the metric set now, so pretty pumped about that. So but yeah, if you want the 10% discount, like I said, use coupon code Chris2022. No capital letters, just Chris2022. Thanks for watching and stick around. All right, we're gonna go and test ride the X2 now that I got the Mikuni 44 on here and everything, and I've kind of got it tuned out and all that stuff. We're gonna give it a ride. I've already seen the audio. Audio is terrible on it. I guess because the exhaust is up here near the front, it's just, you can't barely hear everything I'm saying. But all in all, I was very shocked at how much power it added. Either that or the other carburetor was just clogged up and disgusting. Like I said, I never did rebuild the original carb that was on here, so maybe it was just that, I don't know. But aside from that, runs great, loving it. Probably gonna end up doing a lighting flywheel, shaving the head, and that's probably all I'm gonna do as far as power-wise, performance mods, stuff like that. So hope y'all enjoy it, and plenty of riding on this video, so stick around. Thanks. All right, here we go. We're gonna try this thing right here. Okay, I can already tell the low end's got more power. Oh yeah. Wow. That's crazy. It's not ridiculous or anything, but definitely got more bottom end now. I gotta play with the carb some. Wow, that's all I gotta say. It actually runs out a lot better. Definitely got like a dead spot, kind of right between the bottom to mid. Power like dead spot. Woo! But still, way better. The other one, for sure. I'm almost tempted to bump it up just a tad. But yeah, heck yeah, that's awesome. We'll do a little more playing on it and see how she does after I adjust some of these screws, check plugs and everything. Alrighty, done a little bit of adjustments. Yeah, I think definitely a massive difference. I'm thinking I want to definitely lighten the flywheel. Get that quicker throttle response. I think power-wise, I think it'll be great for my daughter. Or just getting out here and playing on it, you know. Let's see these tubers over here. Oh, definitely
flash you a lot more in the face, this one does, than like the Superjet. Believe it or not. Crocs on again. And they're in full drive, so we're good. It's like the most awkward riding stance. This one seems even weirder. It's not too bad, it just gets you over the front a lot. Probably should have done that the other day when me and my son tried to ride together. That was funny. Didn't get it on video, we were just goofing around on the ski. Heck yeah. That was awesome. Good deal. Oh yeah, now we're on a big race speed. Not.